Hey legends, want to hit every shot like a pro? Finding your pure sensitivity is key. Here's how to dial it in. If you are lost, start with 800 DPI and 1.5 to 2.5 in-game sensitivity. This is a good middle ground for control. For DPI settings, you can do that on your mouse software. For in-game sensitivity, you can press escape and go to settings and mouse and keyboard, and you could set your mouse sensitivity here on this field. The next step we have to do is the 360-degree test. In the firing range, stand still and pan your mouse on your mouse pad from left to right, and try to turn exactly 360 degrees. After panning the entire mouse area, and you went too far past 360 degrees, you can lower your sense. But if you fell too short of the 360-degree mark, bump up your sensitivity. You can test your small aim adjustments on dummy heads. If tracking feels a little bit jittery, you should lower your sense. If you can't keep up, you should increase it slightly. Remember, low sense equals better control, so this is suitable for people who are used to aiming with their entire forearm. And high sense is meant for faster flicks, so if you're a wrist aimer, you could use this. Find what feels natural. The final step is muscle memory. Lock in your setting and stick with it. Muscle memory is the real game changer. Now go test it. Let me know your perfect sense in the comments. See you next time, legends.